Coming with me this morning, and we're going to have a little look at a Peugeot 207 for a DPF fault. And the fault code that we've got is a particulate filter detected to be absent. Now the first thing you need to do on any faults like this is jump into the vehicle and have a quick flick through the DPF live data. Now the only thing that's pointing out to me is the DPF pressure. Now I've put it into a graph for you lot to see. Now this is the pressure difference between the inlet and the outlet port, and as you can see, as I raise the revs, that should be going up to about 8 to 10 millibars, and it isn't budging. Now we know we haven't got a circuit fault, otherwise it would have flagged up on the diagram and give us a fault code, but we're going to check the circuit anyway. Now this is where you need a little bit of information. So I jumped onto auto data and it gives us all the test procedures that we need to carry out. Now we need to pin 3 on earth is 5 volts, and we've got 5 volts there, which is perfect. Now we need the engine running to be checking the signal wire on pin 1 on earth, which should be between 0.4 volts and 4.5 volts, and we have got 4.8. So we know the circuit's good. We haven't got a fault code. We're just double checking. Now let's remove the DPF pressure sensor from the inlet and outlet ports, and we'll get our manometer connected. Now we've got the manometer coupled up and the vehicle is running. We can see straight away that we have got 9 millibars of pressure, which is a perfectly healthy DPF, but we're not measuring on one port. We need to measure the difference. Just press that button now and that'll measure the difference, but we need to raise the revs a little bit. Now we've carried out all our tests, and all our tests seem to be working as it should do. I am putting this DPF pressure sensor down to fault, and in there is a diaphragm. It could be sticking, broken or anything. But anyway, let's get a new one organised. And there we go, that is the brand new DPF pressure sensor turned up. I'm going to get it put back on the car now, and then we'll jump in the car and get some live data on the burn. Now we're in the car. I put the live data into a graph for you. The blue line is engine RPM and the green is the DPF pressure sensor. If we raise the revs now, you will see them both lifting up together. And there we go. And that is a successful diagnose and repair of a DPF fault on a Peugeot 207. Let's get it sent.